About 875, runway 9 left and Mike 2, line up and wait, traffic up, disregard, do not line up and wait.
We're staying on holding short of 9 left for Delta 875.
Crash crews on the way, crash crews on the way. Delta 1437, just hold the position there on the runway.
1437, holding.
All ops vehicles on frequency, any ops vehicles on frequency?
Looks like, it sounds like we blew a tire for 1437, is that correct?
Yes, sir. We did see smoke and fire coming off of one of your tires. We do have the emergency vehicles on your phone. We're sending them out now and looking for some ops vehicles. Just hold the position.
Very good, thank you.
No problem. And your number 1 main gear is on fire.
Okay, thank you.
And Delta 1437, the flames are visible from the tower. Are there any emergency procedures that you would like to enact at this time? Delta 1437, the flames on the right main gear are on fire and visible from the tower. Would you like to enact any emergency procedures at this time?
Yes, we're declaring emergency. We'll probably be evacuating off the right side of the aircraft.
Delta 1437, roger that. We will relay that information and make sure everyone remains clear. You could begin your evacuation procedures.
Tower Delta 1576, Bernie, 9 right.
Delta 1576, Atlanta Tower, winds 180 at 4, runway 9 right, clear to land.
Clear to land, 9 right, Delta 1576.
And Tower, I just wanted to verify the emergency equipment is on the way. Are we still on fire?
Yes, sir. The emergency equipment is on the way as far as we can see. Stand by. Let me check with the binoculars. Yes, sir. Still see flames.
Okay, very good. We're evacuating then off the right side of the aircraft.
Roger that. Emergency vehicles are on their way. Delta 1576, go around, climb, maintain 3000, turn right, heading up 180.
Go around 3000, heading 180, Delta 1576.
And our vehicles on Romeo, cross runway 9 right, proceed Romeo 7 November to the emergency vehicle on runway 9 left.
Off 9 plus 1, cross.
Delta 1576, maintain 3000 and 190 knots.
3000, 190 knots, Delta 1576.
Atlanta Tower, Fire Chief. Correct, Atlanta Tower, our base.
Atlanta Tower, Ops 5 at Romeo 11.
Atlanta Tower, our base. Fire Chief, requesting permission for all units to enter onto 9 or left. We have asking permission for all units to enter onto 9 left.
And Fire Chief, proceed on runway 9 left. Our vehicles on Mike, proceed on runway 9 left.
ARP 8 on Mike, proceeding on runway 9 left. Fire Chief to all units, Fire Chief to all units. ARF units coming from Station 40, go ahead and protect egress. ARF 7, ARF 8, go ahead and protect egress on front of plane. All other units coming in, we're going to go ahead and start rounding up everybody so we can get a count and hold everybody to the grassy area. All units hold everybody to the grassy area.
Ops vehicle calling tower, go ahead.
Yes, at this time, can you please show runway 9 left closed?
Affirmative, runway 9 left is closed. All emergency vehicles and ops vehicles proceed to 118.65, 1865 for your frequency.
This is Delta 1437 on the runway. This is the captain speaking, and we have evacuated the entire aircraft. All passengers are off board. I'm getting off now. Thank you.
Delta 1437, thank you.